Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to System.io. So at first you have to head over to this website called Elf site. Scroll down until you find this option called See All Widgets. Click on that one and you'll see Google reviews right here. If you don't, you can just search for it, but we're going to click on this one. After that, once it loads, we're going to click on Create Widget, and then it's going to take some time to load, but you can see it says customize and then get your code and paste the code into your website. So let's wait for it to load. Once it loads, we're gonna choose whatever type you want. It could be carousel or badge, or it could be grid where there are multiple, it could be a floating badge, whatever you want. Let's say we want to go with grid because we want multiple. Choose whatever you want to, and we're going to click on continue, and then from there you're going to click on add to website for free, and it's going to save the widget. After that, we're going to click on publish, and then 0 for the free one, and then you'll see this code. So you're going to copy it and paste it to wherever you want on your website to show, and then that widget will automatically be added, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.